Hello everyone, today I will introduce the basic operations of MobiEye 700. Firstly, let's introduce the appearance of the machine and the name of the main parts. Introduction to appearance. Anti-collision radar, anti-collision structure, 220-volt power plug, front support roller, rear support roller, detector holder, external interface, key switch, drive handle, hand brake, touch display, status indicators, emergency off switch, exposure hand switch, remote controller, tube latch holder, double-sided collimator handle, X-ray tube assembly, swing arm lock bar, folding arm handle, stand column indicator, external interface. The external interface includes hand switch interface, AEC chamber interface, PACS network interface, USB interface, key switch. There are three positions of key switch: off, switch off the system; on, switch on the system. The equipment enters standby mode. Start the system to operating mode. Wake up the generator from standby mode. You can also wake up the system from the standby mode. Status indicator, power indicator. Always on means the AC power in. Always off means the AC power is not connected. Battery status indicators. Each grid lamp represents the power of 25%. When the battery capability is lower than 10%, the last light blinks yellow to indicate the battery power is too low. Please charge in time. White light flashes means the machine is charging. System status indicator. Always off indicates that the generator is not turned on. Always on means the generator is on. The white light flashes indicating that the generator is starting. The yellow light flashes indicating that the system is faulty. Detector battery charging indicator. Constant off indicates that the detector is not in position. The indicator is flashes indicating that the detector is charging. Always on means detector in position and it is fully charged. Stand column indicator. Bright green, exposure preparation. Bright yellow, exposing. The white constantly lit on. Machine is in normal state and it is not connected to the 220 volt. The blue respiratory lamp. Machine is in normal condition and it is being charged. White blinking. That the system has a level 1 error reporting. Red blinking. That the system reports a level 2 or higher error. The operation software. The main interface of the software includes functional module area, status icon area, system setup entry, system time, current login user, software version information. The functional module area includes patient management, exam management, image browsing, print management, history image. The status icon area includes generator status, detector status, machine status, disk space management, local connection, DICOM configuration, task management, DICOM test, shared detector management, brightness management. Click the manager icon to view the version information of the current software. After the system has finished starting, the patient management screen is automatically displayed. There are 3 ways to access patient registration. Local registration. Click Register to enter the registration screen. Enter patient information and the body position information to be checked. Click Pre-registration to create patient registration information. Click Close to view the patient information that has just been registered. If you click Register and check, you can access to the exam management screen. Emergency registration. Click Emergency registration. The system automatically creates default patient information. Directly access the exam management screen. If the hospital is already connected to PACS network, click Refresh Worklist to obtain patient information. On the patient information list screen, double-click the corresponding patient information. The exam management screen is displayed. Perform the exposure checking. Patient size can be selected on the exam management screen. Adjust the exposure parameters and add the exam position. After the adjustment parameters, put the machine in the right position. Put the machine to the bedside and take out the detector. And place it under the patient's study site. Operating the folding arm handle of the machine and the colorimeter handle, and adjust the knob for the colorimeter light field. After setting, you can use the delayed exposure, remote controller or hand switch to make the exposure. The following demonstrates how to use software delayed exposure and the remote controller exposure. Software delayed exposure. Click the radiation icon to open the delay exposure screen. Set the time of delay and click Start. The machine enters the countdown. Exposure after countdown. Try to stay away from the machine during exposure. For radiation protection, remote controller exposure. Press and hold the remote exposure preparation button. When the green light is on, it indicates that the exposure is ready, and then press the exposure button at the same time to expose. It needs the 2 keys to press together to make exposure. When the exposure is complete, the image browse screen is automatically displayed. Post-processing of images can be performed. The image browsing screen includes image display area, view patient images, patient information and exposure information are available in 4 corners. Thumbnail display area. Multiple thumbnail images of the patient can be viewed. Patient information and exposure parameter display area. Image operating area. The image can be subjected to such operations as annotated, cropping, rotation, management, etc. Image confirmation area. Save image. In the image browse screen, click Print to enter the print management screen. The print management screen includes print image preview area, thumbnail image display area, image adjustment area, print operation area. The main functions of the print management interface are as follows. Adjust the typography and receive images. Select print node, film direction, film size, large layout format. Print operations such as removing the film from the image. Click History Image to access the History Image screen. The History Image screen mainly includes the following functional areas: Patient Information Query Area, Patient Information List, Thumbnail Image Display Area, The following functions can be implemented on the screen: patient information and image query, display, edit, delete, send, and print. Operations such as backup and recovery. Click the System Configuration icon in the upper left corner of the screen to enter the System Configuration screen. At the System Configuration, the function including Detector Calibration, User Management, AEC Calibration Optional, and so on. For example, set an ordinary user whose username is like 1 and the password is 1. At the same time, the user can be given different permissions. You can also do the print information configuration, patient information browsing configuration, print image processing configuration, browse image processing configuration. The name of the hospital can be set on the device configuration screen. Check the device type and the serial number. Export the logs at the configuration maintenance screen. When the log has been exported, click Remove USB drive to complete log export. For more settings, refer to MobiEye 700 operation menu. Put the detector back into the detector box after the exposure. Close the detector box so that the detector can be contacted the charger properly to recharge power. Put the tube assembly into the tube locking seat. Then push the machine to the storage side. Turn the key switch to off position to power off the machine. Pull out the AC power cord to connect to the AC power for charging the machine if necessary. Note, when the machine is not in use for a long time, make sure to power on the machine at least once every month and make it fully charged. Otherwise, the battery may be damaged if the machine is not used for a long time. These are the main contents of the MobiEye 700 basic operation. If you have any questions, please contact Manager Customer Service.